Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is a leading 3D modeling company based in Marathahalli, Bangalore. With their expertise in the field, they offer a wide range of 3D modeling services to clients across various industries. Their team of skilled professionals utilizes the latest software and technology to create high-quality and realistic 3D models. As a 3D modeling company, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd understands the importance of visual representation in today's competitive market. They specialize in creating detailed and accurate 3D models that bring concepts to life. Whether it is architectural designs, product prototypes, or virtual walkthroughs, their team has the capability to transform ideas into captivating visualizations. One of the key advantages of choosing Scon Design India Pvt Ltd as your 3D modeling company is their commitment to delivering exceptional quality. They pay close attention to every detail and ensure that the final product meets the client's requirements and exceeds their expectations. Their skilled team of designers and artists work closely with clients throughout the entire process, providing regular updates and seeking feedback to ensure complete satisfaction. In addition to their technical expertise, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd also offers a quick turnaround time for their 3D modeling services. This is crucial for clients who have tight deadlines and need their projects completed within a specific timeframe. Their efficient workflow and streamlined processes enable them to deliver high-quality 3D models on time, without compromising on quality. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd takes pride in their ability to provide customized solutions to meet the unique needs of each client. They understand that every project is different and requires a personalized approach. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is a leading 3D modeling company based in Marathahalli, Bangalore. With a strong reputation for delivering high-quality 3D modeling services, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has established itself as a trusted name in the industry. Their team of skilled and experienced professionals use the latest technology and tools to create realistic and visually stunning 3D models for various industries and applications. As a 3D modeling company, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd offers a wide range of services to meet the diverse needs of their clients. They specialize in architectural 3D modeling, creating detailed and accurate 3D models of buildings, interiors, and landscapes. These models help architects, designers, and developers to visualize their projects and make informed decisions before construction begins. In addition to architectural 3D modeling, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd also provides product 3D modeling services. They can create realistic 3D models of products, allowing businesses to showcase their products in a virtual environment.